Here's a weather briefing on the difficult travel conditions expected for Friday, February 18th from your National Weather Service in Burlington, Vermont. Now remember, we have flood watches across the entire area for tonight into Friday. We're expecting moderate to heavy rainfall, which could lead to some flooding. And we also have the ice jam potential from all the snowmelt and the warmer temperatures that we've experienced. But there is a winter aspect that we want to bring in to this event, and that will happen later tonight and through the morning hours on Friday. So we have winter storm warnings in effect for the St. Lawrence Valley. The area is shaded in pink, and the area is shaded in blue is where we have a winter weather advisory tonight through early Friday afternoon. And that's where we expect the snow, sleet, and freezing rain to be occurring. So let's take a look at that transition of the precipitation types at 7 o'clock tonight. Everyone is going to be seeing the precipitation in the form of rain, but notice the changes in colors as we get into the pinks and the oranges and the blues. That's going to be our transition over to freezing rain, sleet, and eventually snow. And that will start to happen later tonight across the St. Lawrence Valley. And then after midnight tonight in the Champlain Valley and northwest sections of Vermont and the remainder of northern New York. So what can we expect for amounts? The heaviest snowfall is going to occur over the St. Lawrence Valley, where we're looking at 5 to 10 inches of snow later tonight through early Friday afternoon. And then over the remainder of northern New York and northwest Vermont, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of snow. But before we get those snow accumulations, we are looking at sleet and freezing rain, and here's our storm total ice graphic. The area is shaded in yellow and orange, essentially a tenth of an inch or less of ice, but nevertheless it will have an impact because we are going to have temperatures falling sharply. We'll have a flash freeze. We'll have the rain changing over to freezing rain in these areas, eventually to sleet, and then eventually to snow. So the greatest impacts are definitely going to be after midnight tonight through early the Friday morning, especially during the commute. So remember, ice and snow, take it slow. Conditions will be very difficult across northern New York and northwest Vermont for the Friday morning commute. This has been your briefing on the difficult travel conditions for Friday, February 18th from your Weather Service in Burlington, Vermont. Please stay safe.